I can streaming writing comments and will say my comments about this, how Russian person, how a Russian person. I mean, it's maybe people who speak English and they, for example, something say in Russian language, and I can say what it is. How joke it is small smiling. I don't know how I don't know how I can say this for English language. Okay, today the weather is one degrees, and this is snow. And I want to try to ride on my bike, and I need to get some what is it? Message? No message. So my wife bought oh no, my wife's girlfriend, oh sorry, my wife's girlfriend sent two sent to my wife present, New Year's present. Okay, check my coffer. I don't know how for English. Coffer. For Russian, I need to check. I need to check. Recording. Okay, it's good. Oi, my case, remote control. Oi. I am crazy. Maybe people think what I am crazy. Oh. I think what I will can, I will, 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 I will see nothing. Oh, it's bad. I can't see. Now, if I can see, but I can't see everything. Not good. I would like if say only oh. Brake. Okay, I need to take my phone because I want to take my order. Okay, I took my sender message. Я хз, как это называется. My box, my order, and it is bigger than my этот как его coffer, than my coffer, and but I have this clothing резинка. And I just fix, блин, тоже забыл. Короче, вот так хуяк, тут хуяк, закрепил, все, поехал, держит. Okay, it's cool right now because не because, but мокрой плитке вообще круто дрифтить. But I боюсь, не помню какой называется, because how this historical. My phone battery is low. Translate my Russian words if you want. If it is interesting for you. Блин, хочется вот так, как газануть, как дрифтануть, но боюсь пиздануть. У меня там еще посылка. Кстати, я забыл I forgot about my box. I need I rode on this road. Как там? I drive the car road. Блин, я забыл. I forgot how to write, say what I go on bike. Road or drive or how? Or what? Oh, I am speaking with you, but I don't know. Do you hear me? Maybe you don't hear me because I wear helmet and my bike